Good day. I am Edidong Efziba. Continue with our discussion on bananas. Bananas are part of popular fruits worldwide. They contain essential nutrients that can have a positive impact on health. Eating bananas can help lower blood pressure. The American Heart Association encourages people to reduce their intake of salt or sodium and increase the consumption of foods and fruits that are high in potassium. Potassium will help lower your blood pressure and help manage the activities of your cardiovascular system. It will help you reduce stress. It will help you reduce strain on your cardiovascular system. Bananas are very rich in potassium, so when you eat bananas, you gain potassium and your heart will benefit from the potassium in your body. Potassium helps maintain fluid level in the body and regulates the movement of nutrients and waste products in and out of cells. Bananas contain powerful antioxidants. Fruits and vegetables are excellent sources of dietary antioxidants. Bananas are no exception. Bananas contain several types of potent antioxidants, including dopamine and catechins. These antioxidants are linked to many health benefits, such as reduced risk of heart diseases and degenerative illnesses. When you take bananas, you do your body a lot of good. Your body has a lot to benefit from the bananas that you are eating. Bananas will help you feel full. Both pectin and resistant starch in bananas offer appetite reducing effects. These two compounds do increase the feeling for hunger. You don't feel like eating every time. When you eat bananas, these two components help you to feel full. You feel full most times, and that reduces your intake of foods. Thereby, you are able to curtail your weight. You are able to curtail your appetite, and this will, at the end of the day, help your weight. You don't overweight. You don't gain excess weight when you eat bananas, because bananas help you feel full, and so you don't get hungry every time. Bananas have the ability to improve kidney health. When you eat bananas, your kidney will gain a lot. Bananas have potential for blood pressure control and healthy kidney function. It will help your blood level. It will help your blood pressure control and also benefit your kidney immensely. Bananas are very good. They are very, very good for us. Bananas are very easy to add to your diet. It's not difficult to get bananas. Bananas are easily reachable. You can easily access bananas. You can plant bananas or you can buy from the markets. They are both good, whether you plant or you buy. Moderation is the root of the game. Be moderate. Bananas will keep you healthy. Bananas will keep you healthy, and they are always convenient to carry around. It's easily to transport bananas. Whether you are going to the school or you are going to your office, you can take bananas along with you. Bananas can act as snacks for you. Instead of getting your stomach full with synthetic food or chemical oriented food, you can eat banana as snacks, whether in the school or in the offices. If you know you have issues with your health, consult your physician before eating banana. Not everybody can eat banana. In as much bananas are very good for our health. If you have the challenge of type 2 diabetes, you don't have to be eating ripe bananas every time. You can boil unripe bananas. And if you have to take ripe bananas, make it minimal. Not every time, just eat little, once in a while. Like I said before, if you have any form of health challenge, consult your physician before eating bananas. For instance, if you have issue with your kidney, you don't need so much potassium in your system. People that have kidney related issues don't need too much potassium in their system. So you have to consult with your physician before you eat bananas. I leave you with this. Bananas are very good for you. But if you have health challenge, make sure you eat bananas under the supervision of your physician. Banana is green. Banana is part of what God has given us to enjoy as part of nature. Enjoy bananas. Bananas are good for you. Till I come your way next time, I remain Edidong Epsiba, also known as Delightful Epsiba. Be natural.